Oliver.
Big one. Oh. See? It's alright. It's all good.
Excuse me? George!
Zero, grab the, oh. Like, act like he...
Oh, he's gonna make it.
Oh, what?
Come on, my boy. Whoa!
Oh, that's good. Yep. Tell me.
He could do it if he tried.
Chapa chapa dubi dubi daba daba chu. Okay, check it out. You're not gonna react? Oh.
And a lot of the dogs did not like it. He is social, but he's more...
Do this to her for like 10 minutes.
Are you stuck?
Hello, it's me.
เก่งมาก Gotta get you clean.
Want somebody?
Say good morning to your mama. Let's try again. Good morning. Wait.
No, no.
Chemicals in here.
¿Quieres comida, eh? Ahora te la traigo.
Tingnan mo yung
yung guidelines na nung binabasa ko. Let's say, for example, kung private vehicle.
Meow!
Hey, that's gonna be Yuko.
Is he going to deliver sweet?
Hey, don't bite!
Making sure that the world is well known that it is her and her alone.
My cat fucking stuck in the fucking floor. Oh, she really stuck, G.
What are you doing? Look. You're gonna do it? Run. Zeus! Oh my god! Oh my god! Steven! I thought you were dead! Stop! He's crazy?
Который готов взять себе животное домой.
Hello? No! No!
Hi. No! Oh my god!
No, Ivor, no!
And they're just super playful. They still. Oh! Dinner! You got some right here. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Spoil them and teach them things that can't.
I know you're about to bite me. You want me to turn your game back on? Okay.
I'm gonna knock out some homework real quick.
Behave. What do you mean no?
Chemicals in here.